Good morning, everybody. Today is firmware update day. Future Motion just dropped a new firmware for the GT, so it's supposed to prevent your tail end from dropping when you're going off curbs. The pushback isn't as intense. It's going to be more like the XR, and it's going to fix some of the ghosting issues that people have been having with the foot pad sensors. And to begin, we're going to need to update our firmware. You're going to go to the Play Store and get the latest One Wheel update. And I just downloaded it, so now I'm going to open up the app. Now I have the option of updating my firmware. And I'm going to hit that update button right there. Hit OK. And then that just lit up. And we're going to hit Start Update. So what you want to do is, while this is updating, there's blue and white lights, and now it's yellow. It says do not disconnect, and I don't know if you can see that all that well, but it says there's about 9 minutes remaining, and you don't want to be walking around with your phone while this is happening, so go ahead and just set it somewhere close to the One Wheel and just leave it. And we'll be back when it updates. And we have this cool avatar here indicating that everything is complete. So I am going to hit update complete, and it says the board is ready to ride. So let's give this a shot. Oh yeah, by the way, we got a guest star down here. Yep, I'm gonna be puppy sitting for the weekend, so she's gonna be joining in on our adventures today. It already feels so much looser. Super smooth. Ooh, that's me going downhill there. Woo. No pushback yet. I'm trying to activate the pushback just a little bit to compare it to before. You can really notice the lift. No pushback today. I mean, I don't think they didn't increase the upper limits or anything. It's just, if you hit it, it's going to be a lot smoother. working even better, it feels like, with this. It doesn't feel as jittery to me for some reason. It's responsive and it's smooth. All right, so I get this little stinker today. All right, get up. Get up. Good girl. She is a King Charles Cavalier mix. So I got these donuts. We need to go get some coffee and some doggy doo-doo bags. Hey, no. Come here. Actually, I have 2 gift cards. Could I get those checked real quick? Come here. Come here. Come on. She wants in on the action. Is it okay? Yeah, yeah. She gets so excited around people.
You like people? Well, it's your fault for getting something so cute. So.
Come here. She's trying to walk me into the direction of traffic. This girl's reckless. Up. In. Good girl. Good girl. Let's get you them poopy bags. Come here. Hello. This one has a little grippy on the bottom. Maybe that might be more beneficial for her. We going with a grippy. Thanks so much.
Yeah, have a good day.
Yeah, y'all take care. Look at that. We got a little thank you card and a couple of treats. Chill. I'll make her work for it. Sit. Okay, get it. It's a beautiful view of the Fremont Bridge and the dog park. Yeah. This is high level vlogging right here.